This is the ingredients I have ready. This is ground pepper, and then mixed spice, salt, and then the peppercorn that I ground it a little bit. So that's I'm going to put in the Lego blend. There is that Lego blend. So I'm going to put a slit here so that the marinade absorb inside. So I gonna I do like this. Just to have a slit there, see? And then my marinade will absorb it. I'm gonna marinate this overnight. Put in the fridge, and tomorrow I will be cooking it. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna roast this tomorrow. So for meantime, I just put the marinated. Just try to go in the slit, inside the slit, to have observed that marinade in it. So I'm going to put it in here. It's ready to bake tomorrow. I just put in the tin foil. So just try to put this in here. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the fridge now. So it's ready, marinated for tomorrow. So now I'm going to roast the Lego blend. I'm gonna put this in the oven 180 degrees for 3 hours. So we see in 3 hours.